Oh, yan. Endangered yan. We are here at the Mactan Shrine, and beside it is a restaurant. It's called Sutukil. It's a Sutukil style of restaurant. And it's the Cebuano version of the dampa. Di ba? Dampa, paluto. Dito din paluto. So you order your seafood. Pipili ka, papaluto mo. Traditionally, it's cooked. Sutukil, sugba, which is grilled. Tuwa, cooked in a soup like tinola. And kilaw. So we have a kinilaw today. We have a grilled fish. We have our calamares, buttered shrimp, steamed spider conch or saang, sea urchin, or we call tihi, and our tinua. And of course, our lato. So it's normal to eat kinilaw with rice. You can put your tihi, your rice, a little bit of calamansi, our chilies. Hinaharana tayo. Live harp playing. And the bill, kinabahan ako ha. 2.9. Good deal, very satisfied, and imagine the experience we had with all the different seafood. Busog na busog, Pinoy na Pinoy. Nagtira pa ng isa. Kainin mo na, Hans.